To become a successful data scientist, you need a solid foundation in mathematics and programming. You need to have a good grasp of concepts like calculus, linear algebra, probability, so on and so. And if you don't like mathematics and you do not have analytical skills, then this video is not for you. And if yes, be with me. I'm gonna provide you in-depth step-by-step process to become a data scientist. In this video, we will guide you through the essential steps to become a proficient data scientist, from learning the fundamental skills to mastering advanced techniques. So whether you are just starting out or looking to enhance your data science journey, let's jump right in. Hey guys, welcome to AI with AI. This side Asif Imnat. Let's start with basics first. What exactly is data science? Do you know data is the new oil? You might have heard this many times. And if someone has a huge data, then no one can stop them from becoming millionaire. Every day we create billions of terabytes of data from our smartphones, social media activity, and many other sources. That every click is measured and captured to learn your behavior. This data is a gold mine of information, but it's only valuable if we can extract insights from it. Data science is the field of study that combines computer science, statistics, and mathematics to extract knowledge and insights from data. Data scientists use these insights to solve real-world problems such as predicting customer behavior, optimizing business processes, or even developing new products. Before we proceed, if you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you won't miss our latest videos on AI. We see you are watching our videos, but 90% of you are not yet subscribed. We put a lot of efforts creating videos for you. Keep us motivated by liking and subscribing so YouTube algorithms helps us reach more audience. So did you subscribe and like? Thank you. Also make sure to check out other interesting videos on our channel if you haven't yet after watching this video. Trust me, those are really valuable as we have learning videos on how to machine learning from beginning with the hands-on demos, and also generic interesting videos on AI to keep you updated in AI world. Okay, coming to the topic now. The demand for data scientists is growing rapidly. Business of all sizes are realizing the value of data science and they are hiring data scientists to help them make better decisions. And hence, data science is so hot right now. So the question is, how do you become a data scientist? To become a successful data scientist, you need a solid foundation in mathematics and programming. Start by learning basics of programming language like Python or R. You don't need to be a master in these programming language for sure. These languages are widely used in data science field and will be your primary tools for data manipulation, for data analysis and visualization. I personally prefer Python due to its global acceptance, strong community, and yes, vast libraries. You will be hardly writing any code, but you will be using pre-built libraries to work on data and find insights from data. And yes, we are working on Python programming course and will be uploaded soon on our channel. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. So first thing you will do as a data scientist is getting insights from data by doing data manipulation and data analysis. How would you do that? Is by using widely used most popular Python libraries like NumPy and Pandas in Python. These tools will help you clean, pre-process and analyze data effectively. Next thing you need to learn is the data visualization. As you know, picture worth 1,000 words. Rather, looking at data in the table, it's always better to plot the data, visualize the data. This is called exploratory data analysis or EDA. EDA, exploratory data analysis, involves visualizing data, identifying patterns, and deriving insights. Matplotlib and Seaborn are excellent libraries for creating insightful visualizations. Now, the most important part of this field is machine learning. No data scientist journey is complete without mastering machine learning. Start by understanding the different types of machine learning such as supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. Scikit-learn and TensorFlow are the two powerful libraries that offer a wide range of machine learning algorithms. As you progress, experiment with creating and fine-tuning machine learning models. Learn about model evaluation, feature engineering, and hyperparameter tuning to improve model performance. And if you don't know, we have full machine learning playlist already uploaded on our channel with detailed explanation with hands-on demos. So check our playlist on machine learning algorithms to learn from basics. Next thing you need to master is deep learning. Every AI product you see today, such as Siri, Alexa, ChatGPT, Amazon.com, Instagram, and so on and so forth, are built using deep learning. For more complex tasks, dive into deep learning. TensorFlow and PyTorch are leading frameworks for building and training neural networks. Understanding deep learning is a crucial for tasks like image and text analysis, as well as natural language processing (NLP). Remember, practice is the key. Start with simpler models and gradually work your way up to more advanced architectures like convolution neural network and recurrent neural network. Get some experience. The best way to learn data science is by doing it. Try to get some experience working on data science projects, either through internships, personal projects, or even hackathons. Start building a portfolio of your work. This will show potential employers your skills and abilities. Network with other data scientists. Attend data science meetups and conferences, and connect with other data scientists on LinkedIn. This will help you learn from others and stay up to date on the latest trends in data science. Remember, this journey requires dedication, continuous learning, and practical application. Embrace the challenges, build a strong portfolio, and showcase your projects on platforms like GitHub. Stay curious, stay determined, and you will pave your path to success in the dynamic world of data science. And finally, if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and colleagues. Thanks for watching. See you in the next, and happy data science learning.